Makeup tutorial for beginners. First face primer to prime the face. Foundation. Concealer to highlight. Brighter shade of that, the same concealer to brighten up the under eye. Cream contour to contour the cheek and the nose. Cream blush for the cheek. Press powder to set the highlight. Darker shade of that same powder to set the contour. Then blush to set the cream blush. Translucent setting powder to bake. Contour the nose. Just of the down one, leave the under eye for eyeshadow fallout. Brows. Concealer to clean and define the brows. Eyes. A brown shade for the crease. Blend the edges. A gold shade for the eyelid, all over the eyelid. Shade looks like yellow, but is gold in real life. Black eyeliner for the waterline. Black liquid liner to line the eyes. Mascara. False lash. Dust off the eyeshadow fallout and the powder. Set the face with makeup setting spray, highlighter to highlight the face. Black lip liner to line the lips. Lip gloss. And this is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you. God bless you. Bye.